Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. We have another unboxing here. If you know from the read the description, you'll know what it is. And no contact information again. So I'm gonna have to go through my call list. But this is a 86410 Mitsubishi controller, serial number. And Brett, you are gonna be moved into bin number 9. I will get this in the repair queue, and I will try to find your contact information to be able to get your email address to send you an invoice when it's done. We'll catch y'all later.